Okay, so you've had an aged care bathroom, or any bathroom for that matter. Here is a quick 2-minute video on cleaning your new bathroom and just general top tips. You will have seen or heard of some of these top tips in our 30 and 30 campaign, and you may have already seen it inside of your new guide from us. If you want any more information on anything I say in this video, then you will find that in our knowledge base on our website, including additional products, and top tips that I cover here. So starting with your new bathroom, what you'll find is everything's new in there, and you've got chrome taps and nice new toilet seat that lowers softly, all those bits. But keeping it clean can often, it's fairly easy as long as you keep on top of it, but there are some top tips to avoid. The main big one, certainly inside of our guide here in the caution section, is whatever you do, don't use bleach on anything chrome. So that means anything like the fixtures and fittings around the toilet seats or your taps or your drains. The only place really for bleach is inside of the toilet pan, because it's so harsh, it actually eats at the chrome, and it really damages it, and then it starts to go that sort of rusty because it's eaten away at that coating of chrome on the taps, etc. Same goes for a chrome heated towel rail. We should always remember to ventilate the bathroom. So what I mean by that is you've often got an extractor fan fitted, but we all know extractor fans are never as good as we hope. So there's nothing better than maybe leaving a bathroom window slightly open, or the bathroom door, just to get a bit of circulation. The idea behind that is it just helps with circulating the air to reduce any sort of mold build-up, certainly 12 months into your bathroom or longer, because it eventually gets everybody, certainly on those sealant marks, but wiping it but also ventilation just reduces the mold. We always recommend that, the bathroom is cleaned weekly at the basin, wipe the toilet, bleach, remember, inside the toilet itself, even the walls, right? So you don't have to go over and above. You don't need some, really harsh chemicals like Cif or bleach or anything on the walls. You really just need warm, soapy water, certainly on the wall boards. And often what you'll find is grout inside of tiles is always the first one in the bath or shower area to go. Just wiping those consistently helps avoid that mold or black build-up in those areas. Aside from that, you've got things like your screens, which you can get special screen cleaners, but all the glass we fit comes with a coating on it to help maintain that good, clean-looking screen. But later down the line, you might just need a glass screen cleaner and like a microfiber cloth. Any of these products that you want to buy direct, we can find that on our knowledge base. So if you just ask on our website or in our knowledge base for different cleaning products, they'll be on there. Even right down to cleaning drains. So often the number one thing you're probably thinking is that drains in the shower or the bath is always the first one, because you've got hair and things like that building up. All the traps we like to use, certainly on our showers, if it's not a pumped waste, come with a removable shower trap, which allows you to pull that out, rinse it off, clean it all out in the basin, and get rid of any hairs or any gunk build-up. So make sure you do that, possibly weekly, maybe bi-weekly, depending on obviously the use of your bathroom and how often or how many people are using it within the household. Some of you may have an Ultra or Poly floor, which is like a anti-slip watertight floor. Now, the idea behind that being anti-slip is it's often grippy, or it's got that sort of rougher texture to it to stop any slips underfoot. Now that can, as a result, hold on to dirt a bit more, so keeping on top of that again weekly, but just making sure we clean the floor for any debris first and then mopping it. Now there is a special secret top tip product that you'll find in our knowledge base, but it's just an application that you put down. You just leave it for about half an hour, and then if you go over it with a mop, it comes up like brand new. It's fantastic stuff. We recommend it all the time, so please find that too if you just need that extra bit of help. Depends on your area too, because you often find harder water leaves a bit more marks in bathrooms. You'll know this if you live in those sorts of areas. Keeping on top of it is always good. And then wiping your silicone, like I said at the early start. So if you've got corners in your bathroom, you've got silicone, around basins. Wiping that down is often recommended. Moving on from that, you've got things like your shower heads, you've got the actual chrome heated towel rail to make sure, you know, you're just removing all that dust between the bars. You can get special bar cleaners. We just need to keep on top of it, which helps that longevity of the bathroom, certainly with the sealant lines, etc. And then finally, I'd just like to point out, obviously this guide is if you do get a new bathroom from Aged Care, and all the things I'm talking about is inside of here. But what we offer as a company after this is, you often find after the 12-month mark it could really do with like a deep clean. We often offer a Forever Care, which is our Forever Care subscription, or, you know, 12-month return clean, which means we can come do all of this I'm talking about, top up any sealant that may have come away or is looking a bit worse for wear, making sure your bathroom stays completely watertight, you know, and then moving forward from there you get an additional year's installation warranty. So I hope that all makes sense. I don't want this video to be too long, but if you've got any additional questions or if I've missed anything, please just reach out and we'll do our best to help. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you later.